Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Porth Madryn, and I'm going to walk along the pier here, the sea, and I'll just show you what it looks like. Why not? Okay, let's do it. Here we go. And so this is where you walk on, and this is where everybody has to walk on from the ships, and you can see exactly how far that is, way over to the ships, way over there. See them? So it's quite the haul. And so anyway, this is the sea, and the sea looks pretty nice actually, but it's got this boardwalk type thing, and so it's got some shops on the sides and those kind of things, but I think I'm just gonna walk along here and show you what we get. Okay, easy stuff. A lady in a circle. And it almost looks like a flea market over here somewhere or something. Maybe a bunch of little shopping booths and stuff for people. Yeah, you got to be careful because there's bikes along here too, and they're kind of go flying through here a bit. So I don't know. And this again just looks like little shops. So I'd be careful about having your phone, you know, hanging out here too far. I think it could disappear if it had to. I don't know. I don't know what the situation is here. I don't know anything. I just know it's a small town and nothing past that. So but it's always wise to hang on to your stuff. You know me. I have straps on my phones and on my cameras, and everything I own have straps. So it makes it just a little tougher for it to walk away if it were gonna walk away. And I don't know that I could catch a bike, but I certainly can yell really loud. And so this is the boardwalk pier thing. And I'm hoping to walk all the way down and around over to that corner over there where the caves are. And I think that's about 4 miles. But I won't take you that far. I'm just here to give you a little bit of a taste on what to expect once you get off the ship here in Porth Madryn. There's a pharmacia over there. I'd like to go over there. I gotta get a bar of soap. I hate pump soap. I want a bar of soap. And so I wanna get a bar of soap, and I'll see how much toothpaste costs. Compare it to what I know it costs in the grocery store, and make some choices. But oh, here's a memorial. Let's look around this memorial. It looks like it used to be a fountain at one time or something. It's got lights in it. I don't know if it works or not. And I don't know what it is. It says Monumento a los colonizers. I don't know if you can read that, but I cannot. Huh. Oh, and what is this? Oh, like a wooden skateboard park, maybe? Or something? interesting. In 2016. Yeah, it's a place to take pictures from. Lots of little parks for kids to play, that's cool. People drinking tea and stuff. And what is this thing? Huh. Well, it doesn't spin, it's got a tree in the way. Yeah, no. Oh, maybe it's one of those jumping things where you tie somebody on it and they jump up and down. I have no idea, people. Some high rises. It looks like the elevator was an afterthought. It's on the outside of the building versus the inside of the building. Not that that's a requirement, just an observation. Jewelry and goods and stuff, so, and music and more stuff. Huh. Well, does this give you a good enough idea of what to expect when you come here? I think it probably does. I think it's just going to run down and keep going along. More buildings and more stuff. So anyway, and that's Porth Madryn, M-A-D-R-Y-N. Is that right? Porth Madryn, Deportivo, social club social. Deportivo, I don't know, Porth Madryn, and it looks like a soccer kind of symbol, so I don't know. Anyway, that's it for me, everybody. Thanks so much for coming along, and welcome to Porth Madryn if you're coming here. Bye, everybody.